my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. And if you are new here, it would mean the world to me if you guys click the subscribe button to become a part of the family. I will be uploading more videos like this in the future, and I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. On to what this video is actually about. As you can tell by the title, today I'm sharing with you guys my tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel and have a successful YouTube channel. It is becoming more and more difficult because so many people are doing it and there's so many videos out there, but I don't want you guys to be discouraged because there's a lot of things that you could do to really help kickstart your channel and grow it. I did one of these videos years ago, which I'll link down below because there's a lot of still great like beginner tips in there, but this is really going to be kind of my tell-all in-depth video on how to make your channel grow from 0 views and 0 subscribers. If you guys want me to also do a whole video around how to make money on YouTube, how to make it your full-time income, then thumbs this video up. I definitely want to be kind of like an open book for you guys. The YouTube community sometimes can be a mentality of like fend for yourself. It's super competitive. It can be very cliquey, and I've noticed from my own experience, not a lot of people want to help you and share their tips and tricks to help your channel grow. Personally, for me, I think it's great to see a lot of people succeeding off something. Why just have one person? I think there's room for everyone, and it's kind of sad when people only want it to all go to themselves and have that greedy mentality of only they can become big and they don't want someone to take kind of like their throne. I don't see it like that. If you guys want to follow me, also it always helps me so much when you guys follow me on my other socials. I have an Instagram, a Twitter, a Snapchat, and a Facebook page. So I know this video is going to be all over the place. I wrote some kind of like little tips so I can share it with you guys here so I don't miss anything out. That being said, let's jump into the video. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a little brief about my channel. I started YouTube, I believe, December 2012, so pretty much almost 2013. So I've been on YouTube for almost 6 years, or no, I have been on YouTube for 6 years. Wow, I'm old. Okay, so it is going on 7 years I've been on YouTube. Obviously, you will never master the skill of YouTube because the algorithms, we just don't know where they're going ever all the time. They're always changing, they're always up and down. Being a YouTuber is becoming so much more normal now. I feel like a lot of people understand it a little bit more. Social media has opened so many opportunities for people, and I think that's amazing that you can build your own empire for being you. So I actually wrote down how many subscribers I grew in the past few years. So I want to share that to really show how it has improved over the years. And of course, you're always gonna kind of plateau. It will fluctuate on YouTube, but I did have it pretty consistent where I was growing a lot over the years, and these tips and tricks I'm gonna share with you are really the reason why. 2015, I grew 28,030 subscribers. 2016, I grew 189,000 subscribers, 340. In 2017, I grew 414,678 subscribers. In 2018, my channel has grown 132,885 currently, and it's still ongoing. So I definitely have been growing over the years, which is amazing, and it's crazy to even think that people watch my channel. Like, it's still unreal to me. I still feel like I'm just talking to myself in my room, but somebody's watching me out there. So my #1 tip is to focus on your analytics. I feel like a lot of us, when we have YouTube channels, we really focus on our subscriber count and our view count, and we really don't focus on the in-between. Really seeing what works for your channel. What are people searching up to find your channel? What videos are people watching of you? On your YouTube channel, you can see all that information. You can see who's watching you, from where, what age group. Take advantage of that and use that to benefit your channel. Currently, YouTube's algorithm can go everywhere, but one thing we do know is that YouTube likes to recommend channels that have a higher watch time. That really determines if they're gonna recommend you your videos. So they don't really necessarily care as much now about subscribers and views. The thumbnail and the title are what is going to entice the person to click onto your video, of course, but you need it to also have that kind of meat to the video and be actually creative and enticing and good. So something that I started to implement that I think is also really great is trying to make longer videos. And I don't mean just make a long boring video. Of course, make it entertaining all throughout, but I feel like before, a few years ago, it was better when it was kind of short and straight to the point. But now videos that are longer are obviously going to give you a longer watch time because a video that is 10 minutes compared to 2 minutes, if you have a 2-minute video, someone might click off after 30 seconds or a minute, while a 10-minute video, someone might click off after 5 minutes. So that video has a longer audience retention time, and YouTube loves that. Tip number 2 is to promote the crap out of your videos. YouTube is a business. You need to market yourself, you need to promote yourself. Of course, that is your content, so you need to be the one that's going to push it out there and promote it. And by doing that, you of course need to be set up with all social medias. So I have a I have an Instagram, I have a Twitter, I have a Snapchat, I have a Facebook page, which self-promo, if you haven't already followed, it will be in the description box. Of course, once you upload a video, you can actually promote it on your other platforms as well, and it has the chance to see more people. Another thing that is really important is to promote videos within your actual video that you're doing. Like how I promoted at the beginning of this video to watch my other video around how to become successful. So promoting similar content that you've previously done entices a person to go then after this video watch another one of your videos. So you want your audience to stay on your channel, and once they find you, you want them to watch your other videos as well. And you can also link it in the description box. I always link like similar videos or previous videos that I've done for you guys to kind of just have it right there, so that if you want to watch my other videos, then you can feel free and watch it. And speaking of that, another easy thing that you should be doing is to add cards and Endslate. So at the end of this video, you're going to see my Endslate where I show my previous video, and I also show my subscribe icon that you can subscribe to my channel right from there. So it just kind of shows your previous video that you did to get your audience interested to watch another one of your videos. And something I like to do is adding cards. So you can add up to 5 cards to each video. So for this video, I may add like a card on, which I'll add now. I did a video on how to make money online. So I would put a card on the top. It's either this side or this side, I don't even know, of that video, so that your audience sees that and they may be interested to also click that video and watch it as well. And another great thing to add, which I feel like a lot of us may forget about, is just to add a watermark to all of your videos. If you're watching through a computer, you're definitely going to be able to tell, but if you're on your phone, I think if it's on full screen on your phone, you can see it, but on the bottom corner, you're going to see an XO on my video. Adding your watermark is super simple. All you have to do is go into your Creator Studio, go to the section that says channel, then click the branding section, and it says add your watermark, and you can upload any like PNG file of anything you want, whether that's your name or a little icon. And that's just another easy way for someone to subscribe to your channel, and it just maybe might entice them to click the subscribe button. Tip number 3 is consistency. So as I said, from 2015 I grew 28,000 subscribers, but in 2016 I grew almost 190,000 subscribers. And I will tell you the difference between 2015 and 2016, and that is consistency. 2016 was the first year where I really was consistent and continued to stay consistent since that year on. Before that year, I was not uploading consistent. I was uploading whenever I could. I was in school and I had 2 jobs, so it was a lot harder for me, but I realized that consistency makes the biggest difference. So I personally have an upload schedule. As a lot of you may know, I do upload Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. I find upload schedules are better because people know when you upload, so they're more likely to check your channels on those days, as opposed to it being more sporadic. They might miss your videos. I always recommend at least uploading once a week, not doing once a month, once every 2 months. I find the more you are consistent, the better. And of course, the more videos you have on your channel, the more likely people are going to find your channel. And when they do find your channel, a lot of the time people are going to watch your other videos because they get interested. I know for me personally, when I find a new YouTuber out there that I love, I like binge watch all their videos because I'm like so excited that I found someone new. Tip number 4 is be unique. I'm going to share with you what really helped kickstart my channel and made my channel grow in that year 2016, and then even bigger in 2017. I do a lot of life hack videos, and I've been doing it for years now, and I genuinely love making life hack videos. It has become a lot more difficult for the life hack kind of realm of channels because you guys see all these like random channels that came out with millions of followers that are run by like huge corporations, including channels like 5-Minute Crafts and all that. So it has become a lot more difficult for the life hack YouTuber. But something that I did in 2016 that was one of the reasons and the first things that helped my channel kind of kickstart and grow, I tried to take something that was trendy and put my own twist to it. So during that time, beauty hacks was like the first time it started kind of blowing up, and I thought, what can I do that makes it different? So I started this series on my channel called Celebrity Beauty Hacks. And I don't know if you guys have seen that. It's been a couple years since I started it. If you do, you're the real OG and I love you. But that was probably the first series on my channel that really kickstarted my channel. And pretty much what I did in those videos is I talked about beauty hacks, but I talked about beauty hacks that celebrities do. I put a spin on the trendy video by doing celebrities instead of just average everyday beauty hacks. So that's what really is going to make you grow, is kind of seeing what's trendy and then seeing how you can put your own unique flair to it. Everyone has something unique to them and something that they can offer, so just find out what that is for you. That leads me to tip number 5, I believe, and that is to make a series. So making series videos are very trendy right now on YouTube. If you make a series, then people are obviously going to want to watch all of the other episodes or videos that you did to that series. So if someone finds your channel because you did a series on a certain topic, they're more likely to go watch all the other videos you did on that topic. That also leads me to, if you do have a video that takes off on your channel, make more videos similar to that video. Before, when this first happened to me, a video went pretty big on my channel, and that was my clean the room video, and I kind of didn't do videos about that until like 6 or 7 months later, because I thought people would be bored if I just kept doing the clean the room video, even though a lot of people were subscribing because of that video. I don't know why, but I just thought no one would watch it. I feel like I still think no one watches. The reason why people are subscribing was because of that video, and they want to see more. So if you have a video that kind of takes off, do more of those videos. Don't be scared. That's your time to shine, and make a bunch of those videos and kind of take all that you can get during that time when your channel's actually doing well. One of the reasons why I grew super huge last year and almost hit 500,000 subscribers in 1 year was due to my clothing hack videos. A lot of you, I'm sure, maybe found me from those videos. My biggest video went to over 10 million views, which is crazy. And I started doing a ton of clothing hacks videos after that. I made a bunch. I took advantage of it, and I realized people want to see this, and they were also really fun for me to make. So I just kept making clothing hack videos, and of course, don't make them the same. You can always put a twist on them. For example, when I did clothing hack videos, I did clothing hacks, I did clothing struggle hacks, I did fall clothing hacks, winter clothing hacks. So I did a bunch of different ones. They were never the same type. But those are all of my main tips you're definitely going to learn along the way. If you look back on any YouTuber's channel and look at their first video, it is going to be completely different. I'm gonna play part of my first video. It was like 1 minute long. Let me just let the video speak for itself. Hey guys, my name's Nicole, and I just wanted to do a quick little intro video. My videos are gonna be beauty and fashion related, and I will be doing requests if that is I even get any. But I guess I'll see you guys and talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye. Yeah, wasn't that completely different? You're gonna grow, you're gonna learn because you're doing it so much, and you're learning new tips and tricks. You're meeting people that are gonna help you. I feel like you could always learn something more on YouTube. YouTube is so up and down now. It can be very discouraging. Of course, you wanna grow and you want to get those subscribers, you wanna get views. Of course, you're making videos to also entertain other people. That's nothing to be ashamed of, but don't focus too much where it kind of consumes your life. Feel like your worth is based on views and subscribers. You want to make sure you find that healthy balance. And I still sometimes question my channel or think maybe I'm not good enough. I don't have this, I'm not this. Just constantly get in this like self-sabotaging mood, and it's not healthy. But just realize why you started, why you love doing what you're doing. I love being creative. I love talking to you guys. It's like my favorite thing ever. I just love everything about it, and it's crazy to see how much we have grown. I've obviously done it through learning tips and tricks, but I've grown because of every one of you that have subscribed or just even watched one of my videos, and I wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. I give huge credit to you. I talked way too much because my card just got full, but as I was saying, never give up on your passion. This is what you want to do, then do it. Don't let anyone come in your way. Don't let anyone's opinion come in your way, because in the end of the day, this is your life and there's nothing wrong with wanting to do this. It has been an amazing opportunity for me and has opened the doors to so many other opportunities, which I would have never had if I didn't listen to myself and stick by what I believed I wanted to do. Because if I listened to the opinions of others, I wouldn't be here doing what I'm doing right now. You need to also be your biggest advocate and be your biggest cheerleader. You're gonna be your motivation. You're gonna be the one who pushes you. Don't rely on anyone else. If you believe in yourself, you're going to grow. I really hope these were kind of more different tips than just the typical buy this camera, this editing system. Really wanted to make it very real and raw on tips that are really gonna help you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button before you leave. It would mean so much. Our family is so close to 800,000. And it would mean so much to me if you guys subscribed and you stuck around and become a part of the family. Like I said in this video, I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, so you guys can always check my channel out on there. Click the bell also, because now you need to click the bell if you want to be notified, and you have to click all notifications to be able to get my notifications. I know, the struggle is so real here on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!